In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install a trainer in Atomic Heart. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down and under File, select the latest version. Select the three dot icon and select Downloads and select this three dot icon and select Download Dangerous File option and select Download Dangerous File. Once download done, select the folder icon and double click on the trainer exe and select Yes option. And you need to open the game. Once you are in game, press the Alt tab and open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. To show you guys the trainer is working, I'm gonna set this jump height to 2 times. Once you turn on the cheats, minimize this and get back to the game. As you can see, jump cheat is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.